smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh, easier to love, oh, oh.
Another lazy afternoon, the clouds covered in gray, third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom, I yawn at the display, third meeting of the day.
Stuck in a fantasy, this all feels so new. Slow dance in my head, I stay focused on you. 'Cause ooh, don't wanna see you walk away now. I just think that you should stay a while, 'cause I can't help but feel that you're the one I shouldn't let go. Ooh, don't wanna see you walk away now. I just think that you should stay a while, 'cause I can't help but feel that you're the one I shouldn't let go. Ooh, don't wanna see you walk away now. I just think that you should stay a while, 'cause I can't help but feel that you're the one I shouldn't let go. When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. It felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love that I'm speaking of? This is love if I'm making you breakfast. This is love if I feel myself coming down when you're not around. This is love if I think I've gone crazy. This is love if it seems I don't care at all. That your love hit me like a cannonball. I used to worry about my options, worry about my options. Yeah, I used to think too much, I think too much. But with you I forget my worries. Behind me they can't touch me now. Yeah, that's how